Thank you for buying the Safe System. In this portion of the video, we're going to cover your kit contents, your initial setup, and your warranty. This is your base unit. Before you get started, make sure to turn your machine over and change the voltage, the correct voltage to your country. The machine changes from 110 to 220 volt. This is your manual speed dial, this is your on-off foot pedal, this is your left to right rotation, and this is your speed display. This is your handpiece motor. Your handpiece motor plugs into the front of the machine. This is your on-off foot pedal, and your on-off foot pedal plugs into the back of the machine. This is your chuck, and your chuck attaches to your handpiece motor. To unlock it, just click it until it clicks open. Take out your dummy punch, put in the Harris Safe Blunt Punch, and relock it. Your machine comes with oil and a nozzle. This is used to clean your chuck. Your machine also comes with silicone disc protectors. These are used to keep the life of your chuck longer. You just slide it over the top of the punch. Make sure that there's a slight gap so it doesn't affect the speed of your chuck. Your machine also comes with an optional variable speed foot pedal. We're going to cover that in the next video on how to set that up. Your warranty for this machine is a 1-year manufacturing warranty. It does not cover maintenance, so please be sure to follow these instructions carefully.